Imagine a TV that doesn't just show content, but paints your room in light, color, and emotion. Introducing the new Philips 7875 Series Ambilight TVs, where every scene comes alive beyond the screen. Philips has long been a pioneer in smart lighting with its Hue line, and now that expertise is built directly into your TV. Ambilight transforms every movie, show, or game into a fully immersive experience, softening contrast to reduce eye strain while amplifying the thrill of what you watch. Every model in the 7875 series features stunning 4K LED panels with a 120 PMR perfect motion rate and a 178-degree wide viewing angle. HDR10 and HLG support, available on all but the 43-inch model, ensures every color bursts to life, from the deepest shadows to the brightest highlights. And it's not just the picture. Immerse yourself in Dolby Atmos sound with built-in stereo speakers, while versatile connectivity, including 4 HDMI ports, USB, Ethernet, and optical audio, makes setup seamless for streaming, gaming, and beyond. Ambilight reacts to everything on screen, from live TV to your favorite streaming apps, games, and even digital art. And with a 2026 update on the horizon, audio sync lighting and new standby modes will elevate your viewing even further. The Philips 7875 series is available in 4 sizes: 43, 50, 55, and 65 inches, starting at just $229. Elegance, performance, and immersive lighting are now within reach, whether for your cozy apartment or your home theater. Step beyond the screen and experience your content like never before. Philips 7875 Series Ambilight TVs, where light meets emotion. Available exclusively at Sam's Club.